How to verify LinkedIn account. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a step-by-step guide on how to verify your LinkedIn account on iOS or Android to enhance credibility and security. So let's get started. I'm doing it on iPhone, but if you have Android, you can follow similar steps because the steps are same on both of the devices. So first of all, you gotta open your LinkedIn application and you'll be redirected to the home page. So what you gotta do is click on your profile here at the top left. So once you click on your profile, you gotta click on your profile once again and just click on it. So once you do so, you will be redirected to your profile. So what you gotta do is click on add verification badge over here that will be next to your name. So just click on add verification badge. And once you do so, you will be redirected to the verification interface. Now by verifying your identity, you can build trust with numerous clients and other connections. So what you got to do is click on verify with persona, and you need to make sure that the name on your government ID will need to match your LinkedIn profile. If it doesn't match, your authentication or verification can be rejected. So just click on verify with persona, and once you do so, you got to select your country. Now you can either use your government ID such as your ID card, passport, driver license. So you can search for your country within this list, and once you do so, you got to check both of these boxes. That you got to agree with the terms of use and other stuff. You can give it a read if you want, and then click on continue. So once you click on continue, they'll ask you a question that do you see this symbol on the front or back of your ID, and once you say yes, continue, just do it. So what basically would happen is that the chip on your ID card would be scanned. So you can either take a picture right now or upload. So I'm going to take a picture right now, so just click on camera. So just place the front of your ID in this frame and take the picture. So once you upload the picture, they're going to process your ID. And once your ID is processed, they will take a few hours to or maybe minutes to review your verification. And once done, you'll be able to see a verification badge appear next to your full name on LinkedIn. So that was basically how you can verify a LinkedIn account. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.